Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add captions on TikTok. If you've been searching for a way to add auto subtitles on your TikTok video, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add auto captions to your TikTok videos, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to create a new video. You can either record a new video by holding down the red button or upload an existing video from your device gallery by tapping on the image icon. After recording or selecting your video, tap the Next button. Now, your video will open on the editing screen. On the right side of the editing screen, you will see various options. Find and tap the captions icon at the bottom of the options. Now, TikTok will start generating subtitles based on what is spoken in the video. Once TikTok generates the captions, you can edit any words or phrases if the auto-generated captions are incorrect by tapping on the text. You can also translate the captions into a different language by tapping the language icon and selecting from the available languages. To change the style, color, or placement of the captions on your video, tap the text icon. After making your changes, tap on Save. Once you are done finalizing your captions, tap the Next button and then tap Post to upload your video with auto captions. Now, your TikTok video will include auto-generated captions.